In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product in Gumroad 2025, full guide. First, head to gumroad.com and sign in to your creator dashboard. You'll be working from the dashboard the entire time, so keep it open in a tab. From there, open the Products section and select New Product. This starts the setup flow where you'll choose what you're selling and how customers will experience it. Pick the product type that matches what you're offering. Digital product is great for ebooks, PDFs, audio, software, or downloadable assets. Course or tutorial is ideal if you're teaching with structured lessons. Membership works for ongoing subscriptions with recurring payments. Bundle lets you package existing products together. And service fits non-digital offers like consulting or custom work. Choosing the right type helps Gumroad show the right options later. Next, fill out your basic product info. Give your product a clear, memorable name and write a description that explains what buyers get, who it's for, and the outcomes they can expect. You can enhance your description with images, code snippets, or embedded videos to make it more engaging and informative. Then set your product URL, often called the slug. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to share, since it becomes part of your public link. Move to the Content tab to upload what customers will receive. Add files such as PDFs, zips, MP3s, or videos. If your product has multiple parts, organize them using pages, like instructions, downloads, and bonus materials, so buyers can find everything quickly. Clear file names and a logical order go a long way toward a smooth experience. Now set your pricing. You can choose a fixed price, a pay-what-you-want model to let fans pay more if they wish, or even make it free to build audience trust. If you offer tiers, create versions, like Basic and Premium. Set the price difference and upload the matching content to each version so buyers see exactly what's included. Add a cover or thumbnail to represent your product. Upload an image or video in PNG, JPEG, MOV, or GIF, or embed a YouTube or Vimeo clip. Aim for at least 1280 by 720 pixels and use clear visuals and readable text to stand out. Finally, open Checkout or Settings for the product. Add custom fields to collect the details you truly need, like a shipping address or a Terms of Service checkbox, and set up upsells to offer a bonus product or a higher tier at checkout. When everything looks right, click Publish. Gumroad gives you a shareable link you can promote anywhere to start selling.